today I'm gonna show you how to make pea pad for animals that pee in the cage. I have chinchilla, so this is gonna be for my chinchilla. The previous video I also make the same thing but just different way to make it. That one, if you don't mind sewing the 4 layers together, which is big, that one works too. This video I make another way to do it in case that you don't want to sew all 4 layers together at each time. So this one, for some people it might be easier because you're gonna have to run through the 4 layers together probably just one time. So as you can see, in this area, just the 2 layers that you're gonna have to work with. So only one part that you're gonna have to sew 4 layers together is only one round, one time. This area is gonna be thinner than the rest, if you don't mind, but it's gonna make it easier to sew. You can do the same patterns for both sides or you can do the different patterns. I cut the fleece fabric a little bit bigger than the size of the area that I want. The area that I want is 21 by 24. So I cut this 22 or 23 by 25 or 26 inches for sewing. And because over time when you wash it, it's gonna shrink a little bit, you might wanna prepare for that. Cut 2 pieces of the fleece. This is my another one, same size. And then I cut the U-Haul furniture pad, 2 pieces also. 2 pieces of the fleece, bigger than the area, and 2 pieces of U-Haul furniture pad, smaller than the area. I cut it about 20 inches by 23. 2 pieces of this. Okay, so now we have 4 pieces, 2 of this and 2 of anti-peel fleece. I'm gonna show you how I lay them up together before sewing. First thing, you're gonna lay down the fleece the wrong side up, and you're gonna put 1 piece of the U-Haul furniture pad on top of it. Put it in the middle. Then you're gonna pin them around. I use this. So pin these 2 layers together all around. You might want to do like corners first, like this. Do 1 corner and then another corner and another corner, another corner, and then just do the rest. Put these aside and do another one. Wrong side up, facing you. Okay, so now I'm done with this, and 2 of them. So now you're going to use a sewing machine to run through all 4 sides. Okay, oops. For this one and for this one. Before you start sewing, don't forget to change the stitches size to be 2.5 and 2.5 because the fabrics are thicker than usual. Now we're gonna run through all 4 sides. You do forward a little bit and then backward and then go. Backward, forward. Done. We do the same for the other one. And now we are done with 2 pieces. See the stitch? This. We're gonna put these 2 pieces together. You're gonna lay 1 piece face down, the right side face up, and another one, the furniture pad face up. The right sides are together, and we're gonna sew the 2 fleece together like this all around 4 sides, but we're gonna leave about this much as an opening because we're gonna have to take the right side out. So we're gonna start from here, go all the way, and then stop right here. So leave this open. To make it easy when you run through the sewing machine, I have clips, and I'm gonna clip these two pieces together so I don't have to worry about the fabrics move. Okay, leave this much open. So you're gonna sew from here all the way down to here, probably like half an inch from the edge. You not sew on here because it's gonna be too thick, so you sew on just these 2 layers. Go forward a little bit and backward to lock it, and just go. Okay, now we are done putting the 2 pieces together. So we're gonna cut excess edges, but don't cut the stitches. This is the part that I like the most because kind of feel satisfied. Okay, now we're gonna take the inside out or the right side out. Just grab one corner. Now we're gonna close the opening. We're gonna do the invisible stitches, which is also called the ladder stitches. Fold these 2 pleats in, and I use the clips to make it easy. I just clip this so make sure that it's even and it's straight line, and hide everything in. So now I'm gonna start to do the ladder stitch from this end to another end. So I double thread it. Okay, this is the opening. I'm gonna hide the knots inside the flips. Can you see it? Okay, done. And then so we're gonna tie double knots. And then again. And then we're gonna secure it even more, so we're gonna poke through the seam and then bring the needle, inside in between the 2 layers. Like that. And then more. We bring the thread to somewhere. So the stitch not gonna come off very easily. With this fleece, you're not gonna see the thread. So you can do it even more as long as you still have thread. It's gonna hide the thread. Don't have to pull it that tight. That should be enough, and then cut it. Okay, next step. What I do to secure the shapes, because you're gonna wash this a lot, I do the stitches. And then maybe over here, like around 1.5 or 2 inches, like around here, another round. So 4 sides. And then you're done. You might want to do another round too, if you want. It's up to you, but I just do 2 rounds, that's it. So first here, all round, and then here, all round. Okay, so again, to make it easy, I'm gonna clip all 4 sides again, so the fabrics don't move when you run through the sewing machine. Now don't forget to adjust your stitches to like 2.5 to 2.5 because this area is going to be thick. Forward a little bit and backward a little bit to lock it and then go. So now end it backward, forward. Done. Then last, another round inside, like about 2 inches or 1.5 inches away from the edge of the furniture pad inside. Okay. So now we're all complete. Your pet's gonna love you even more. Thank you for watching.